Hello everyone, welcome back again to JN Electric YouTube channel. Let's compare an integrated amplifier Marantz PM8006 with Denon PMA-1700NE. These two integrated amplifiers have a very fine and sweet style and are great to look at. The power dissipation loss of the Marantz is smaller than that of the Denons. This is that the Marantz amplifier has an energy-efficient power level. The power supply from Marantz uses a toroidal transformer. This is a transformer that is very efficient and consists and has maximum induction. Denon total harmonic distortion is better and it has a value of about 0.01%. The use of two power supply transformers in an integrated amplifier is very good because they do not affect each other. The energy consumption of the Denon is 75 watts greater than that of the Marantz. Here Marantz saves energy. The frequency response of the two integrated amplifiers is the same. This indicates that the width of the audio is not different. But now Marantz does not use USB, even though nowadays it is modern. At this time, the Marantz was cheaper, as it was $500 American cheaper than the Denon. Denon damping factor is slightly better than Marantz, or almost the same. Marantz has a speaker switch that can be speaker A or B, speaker or A and B, while Denon does not have. The volume of Marantz amplifier is bigger than Denon amplifier. Audio lover tend they prefer bigger ones. One superior feature of Marantz is that it has a mid setting and it can also function as an equalizer. Signal per noise greater Marantz is better. Marantz has 18 decibel higher than Denon. One thing that is very crucial is the heatsink. Let's see, Marantz has a smaller heatsink, while Denon is bigger. Splitter system divide the bass into two positive and negative parts is better in my opinion than using a single push-pull. The Marantz is weighing in at 26.5 kg, which is significantly heavier than Denon. The capacity of the anti-ripple capacitor on the Marantz power supply section is 15,000 microfarad, while on the Denon I have not found the value. They both have 2 transistors per channel. I prefer Denon. Integrated amplifiers Marantz promise pure and powerful sound, which the amplifier the manufacturer release on the well-known pre-amplification with current feedback. Manufacturer which care in Japan release on purely analog connection here, which means we find neither digital connection option or digital analog converter inside the receiver. However, this does not mean that we have to do without technology. On the contrary, the receiver delivers 70 watts per channel, 8 ohm. Denon might be best known for top-value entry-level hi-fi component, and of course, it is massive and massive powerful AV receiver and amplifier, but the company does big hi-fi too, especially back home in Japan, where it is sold high-spec CD player, digital analog converter, and amplifier. We hardly ever see here in export market, and its latest arrival in this arena is PMA-1700NE, a hefty integrated amplifier which most of the bass covers, from the high-quality moving magnet phone stack for a record player to USB audio input to receive music for a computer. In terms of the comparison that I have conveyed, in my opinion, in comparison, I am more inclined to choose Denon on the grounds that it has a better heatsink, so it can run longer. And that's the end of this video. I thank you very much because you have watching this video. I have bad English, therefore for this shortcoming I beg your pardon.